Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily fix stutters, FPS drops and input delay in Valorant. So the first thing what to do here, we need to go to Valorant settings on the top right, go to settings and go to video, and first go to general and make sure that your display mode is on full screen and your resolution is the one that your display recommends. So to check what is recommended resolution for your display, you just need to go to your desktop with a bit, and then just right click on it, go to display settings, and here you can see the display resolution. For me is recommended 1920 times 1080, and once we're here we can check our basically the highest refresh rate. And as you can see here, we have 239, and also make sure to set up your refresh rate to the highest here. And then we need to go back to Valorant, and then we need to on max FPS on battery, make sure that you set up the one basically that your monitor is the highest FPS. For me it's 239, max FPS in menus 239, and max FPS always is 239. And on graphic quality, make sure that graphic resolution is a bit low if you're experiencing stutters or FPS drops. So it will affect your visual quality of the game, but it will improve your FPS and basically lagging. So in the FPS games, the most important thing is frame rate, so you will be good to go. So what you need to do here is to turn on multi-threaded rendering and material, texture and detail quality setup on low. On UI quality, make sure that it's on medium. On vignette VSync, make sure that it's off. Anti-aliasing, make sure that it is on none. Anisotropic filtering, make sure that it's on 4x. And improve clarity, experimental sharpening, bloom, distortion and cast shadows, make sure is on off, right? And then we need to go on our desktop, and on search just write keyboard, and make sure when you are on the speed here, make sure that your repeat delay is on basically on the right side here next to a short, and on repeat rate is on super fast, right? And once you do that, then you need to go to your device manager and make sure that you update your keyboard, your mice, and also sound, video and game controller. So what you need to do here, you need to find, for example, your mouse, right click on it, press update driver, search automatically for drivers, and see if there is available driver for you to install and do with all your hardware that you're using, right? And then the next thing that you can do here, depending on what GPU you're using, I'm using NVIDIA, so I can go to GeForce Experience with AMD as well. There is an app, I believe, that is called AMD Radeon that does the same thing. Go to drivers, go to check for updates, and if there is available update for you, make sure to update to the latest version, right? And once you do that, then you need to go to home here, and then you need to go to Valorant here, go to details, go to this little custom settings icon here, make sure that you set up performance, not quality, press apply. And here again we need to go to little settings icon here, and then we need to go to general and make sure that image scaling is enabled, right? As you can see here, as it boosts frame rates for optimized games and applications using GPU scaling and sharpening. So you'll have more FPS for that, right? And I believe that's pretty much it. And make sure to not forget to, on display settings and advanced display settings, make sure that your frame rate on your display is the highest, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.